In this video, I will demonstrate how you can make money on Pinterest with a few simple tools at no cost. This new method requires only a few minutes of your time and is user-friendly, making it accessible even to complete beginners. Plus, by watching till the end, I'll share how you can automate these steps, transforming your earnings into a nearly passive stream of income. Let's begin. Did you know that Pinterest is the largest visual search engine on the planet with over 1 billion visits per month? Faceless Pinterest accounts like this one on my screen right now with over 10 million monthly views have the potential to make thousands of dollars every single month promoting products they don't even make themselves. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create a Pinterest account just like this, creating an almost fully automated income stream of yourself. With that, let's get started with step number 1. Affiliate products are abundant across various platforms, with many major brands now offering affiliate programs open to all. Among my preferred sources for affiliate products is Impact.com. Impact functions as an affiliate network, providing access to a vast marketplace featuring thousands of products for promotion, some offering commission rates as high as 40%. Additionally, signing up for an Impact account is open to all, regardless of location. So it doesn't matter where you live. You can find a link in the description to the Impact website where you can register for your own account if you wish to follow along. To align with the tech-focused Pinterest account showcased earlier in this video, we'll be searching for a software affiliate product. When selecting affiliate products, I recommend sticking to niches such as beauty, health, wealth, relationships, business, or tech, as they tend to yield higher earnings. Once you've created your Impact account, come over here to the top menu and select all brands. Then on the left, under the category, select software. I've already done a bit of research and the product I'm going to pick for this tutorial is called NordVPN. NordVPN is an online VPN service that encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP with physical location. This is something that almost anyone who spends a lot of time online, and especially something that includes money, would be interested in. The commissions rate is 40%, which is really great for an affiliate product. That means every time someone buys a subscription to NordVPN with your affiliate link, you get paid a 40% commission of the purchase price. You can apply to become an affiliate for NordVPN or any affiliate product you like through your Impact account by clicking here. And then once you're approved, you can create and copy your affiliate tracking URL right here. Next, we are going to get AI to generate everything we need to create eye-catching pins in just a few seconds with a single prompt. Let me show you what I mean. For this step, we are going to use the AI tool called Perplexity. And Perplexity operates similarly to ChatGPT in terms of prompting the AI for responses. However, it distinguishes itself by employing 3 distinct AI models: ChatGPT 4, Perplexity AI, and Claude 2 AI to generate responses to your prompts. Additionally, it incorporates real-time search results, unlike ChatGPT, which is limited to information up to the year 2021. Now, in full transparency, Perplexity has both a free and paying account, just like ChatGPT. To get access to their full list of features, you need to have a paid account, but in this tutorial, we are going to use a free version. Once you have your account created, we need to give Perplexity a prompt. But it can't be just any prompt, it needs to be specific to what we are looking for. Remember, the more specific you are with your prompt, the more accurate of a response you're going to get from it. So in the chat prompt box, you're going to type something like this: list 5 top reasons why NordVPN is the best VPN, including a brief description with each reason. Then create a 5 different eye-catching Pinterest pins titles for each point, including emojis at the beginning of each title, and do not include the NordVPN words in the title. You can change up this prompt based on your own specific niche, target audience, or affiliate product. But for this tutorial, I'm going to keep it simple for the sake of time. Once you hit enter, you'll see that Perplexity not only uses its AI to create the response we are looking for, it also considers recent research results to make sure the information is accurate and up to date. Now, if we check over the response it created for us, you can see in just a few seconds, the AI has created an eye-catching Pinterest pin title, as well as the information we need for the pin description. You can keep going with this if you want to refine your response by prompting with more information or requests, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use what it created for us right now. But don't forget to read over the information to make sure it's actually accurate. AI is still a new technology, so it's always best to double check everything before using it. Once you're done with the check and you're happy with it, let's move on to the next step. Now we have to create the actual pins using the information that Perplexity has created for us. For this step, we can use Canva because it's the most well-known and easy to use. Let me just show you how quickly we can use our AI responses to quickly create pins on Canva. Simply select a Pinterest pin template that resonates with you or aligns with your niche. Opt for designs featuring bold text to capture attention effectively. Then return to the Perplexity website, choose one of the generated titles, and paste it into the main text area of your selected Pinterest pin template. Feel free to customize the text appearance within the image as desired. Once satisfied, instead of creating a new design each time, duplicate this design 4 more times for each remaining pin title, using it as a template. Finally, paste each AI-generated title from Perplexity into the corresponding space in the newly created template and replace the image with something distinct. After finalizing the designs, go to the top right corner and select to download all the images simultaneously. This will save them into your device as a zip file, which can be extracted later. Once completed, let's proceed to the next step. But guys, I have a perfect product for you. I have 100 plus templates, Canva templates prepared for Pinterest. If you click on the link down below in the description, you can find this product right here. You can download and there will be 100 plus Canva templates that are fully customizable. It only costs $9 and this is what you get. You get 100 plus templates, 118 to be exact. And there are a bunch of different templates that you can customize. You can add your images, change fonts, and whatever you want. So you'll never run out of templates. Unfortunately, I didn't use them in this video, but I just quickly wanted to mention that you can download them in the link down below. So let's continue. Now that we prepared our Pinterest pins, the next step is to upload and share them on your Pinterest account. It's crucial to ensure that you have a Pinterest business account, not just a personal one. For this process, to create your pins within your account, navigate to the top and click on the Create button. Next, you'll need to upload each Canva created pin individually to create a separate post. Avoid dragging all the images together as Pinterest will create them as a carousel, which isn't our intention. After uploading all your pin images, return to Perplexity, copy the title and paste it accordingly. Then copy the description and paste it as well. And this leads us to the most important part, which is making money. Before proceeding, it's crucial to pay close attention to this segment as it holds significant importance. If you aim to monetize these pins directly with your affiliate products, bypassing the need for a blog or intricate website, you can't simply copy your affiliate link here. Pinterest typically does not permit direct affiliate product linking or link shorteners on pins, so you can be banned from Pinterest. To maintain an active account and continue earning online, ensure you adhere to this step. Preferably, I would recommend, especially for this niche, to create a blog post and just incorporate your links in this blog post. But in this tutorial, I'll show you another way. To incorporate your affiliate links directly into your Pinterest pins, you can utilize a website called Linktree. Linktree is endorsed by Pinterest and enables you to create a straightforward landing page where you can add all your affiliate links without facing penalties. Let me demonstrate quickly how to set this up. Now, to add your affiliate links to your Linktree page, here's what you're going to do. First, you need to come back to Impact, then copy your affiliate tracking URL. Next, you're going to come back to Linktree page, tap this button here that says Add Link, and paste your affiliate tracking URL in this box. Then you'll see a button appear on a preview page that people can now tap to purchase your affiliate product. And the great thing about Linktree is it allows you to add as many URLs as you like, meaning you can promote multiple affiliate products to your audience all in the same place. Now you can edit your Linktree page to look however you like, but for the sake of time, I'm going to leave it as is. So once you're happy with your Linktree page, all you need to do is tap the share button up here in the top right corner and copy the link at the bottom of the menu by tapping here. Next, come back to Pinterest and paste your Linktree link into the destination link box here at the bottom of your post. Once you've done that, the last step is to publish your post to a board within your account so that people can start seeing it. You do that by tapping this drop down button right here, select the board where you want your pin to be pinned to, then tap on the publish button and your pin will immediately be posted to your account. Now, if you want to automate this process so that you don't have to do this every day manually, for each post, you want to double check that you've added all the images, titles, descriptions, and Linktree links to each individual post, but instead of selecting publish for each post, you want to schedule your post for the future by tapping this button here that says publish at a later date. Then you can simply schedule each post to be automatically posted for you at a later time. This step is really important if you want to automate your business. Once your pins are scheduled or posted, you'll begin to observe traffic flowing through to your affiliate links. However, there's a crucial aspect to remember about this process. To achieve success with this method, consistent posting on your account every single day is essential, not just here and there. The more consistent you are with your posting, the greater the exposure your content will receive, leading to more clicks on your affiliate links over time and of course more purchases of those affiliate products. The method I've demonstrated in this tutorial, coupled with AI assistance, empowers you to swiftly generate countless Pinterest pin ideas with minimal time investment. As an additional pro tip, if you seek to automate this process further and maximize your free time, consider outsourcing this task to a freelancer. They can handle the entire process for you, leaving you to manage the account, thus transforming the income stream into a nearly passive endeavor. There's a great platform called Fiverr, and you can search for Pinterest pin creation and get plenty of people who offer this service. Of course, it will require some money, but if you prioritize your time over money, it's one of the best ways to build your Pinterest account. I'll leave a link down in the description for you to check out Fiverr.com. So here you go, guys. Now you know almost everything you need to grow your Pinterest account and make money from it. Remember, nothing comes easy. You just have to put your time and effort into it if you really want to make this as one of your sources of income. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Leave a like and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one.